I decided to make grilled cheese because it's my favorite food. So, first off, the ingredients you're going to need 2 slices of bread. You need at least 2 pieces of cheese. I do 3 because I'm a fat guy, I like food. Butter, a spatula, a knife, and a pan. I got a little special grilled cheese pan. You want to take your butter and you want to spread it across your bread. You want to get nice, smooth, layered across all the bread. Make sure it's nice and smooth because when we put it on the pan, we're going to want it nice and hot. All this caramelized up at the same time. Now, what I like to do after I butter my first piece, I turn the flame on the stove to medium heat and start buttering our second piece. Make sure you get all these corners, everything nice and spread. Try getting as evenly as possible. So next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to take our bread and we're going to start shooting. I take the first piece of bread, and for this third slice, I like to break it in half and kind of make sure that every single piece of bread is covered, so we get a nice, good grilled cheese. Finally, put the last piece on top, and then we're going to move it around a little bit, just to make sure we get a nice caramelization of this butter. Now, I almost burnt myself. We're going to let this sit for a minute or two. It's usually about 2 minutes, but once you make enough grilled cheeses, you'll be able to start telling. Also, the pan's going to heat up, so this top part is going to cook faster than the bottom. Try to get a nice, even caramelization. If you're worried about it getting stuck with the butter when you flip it, just take your spatula and move it around a bit. So you want to start trying to check underneath the bread. Right now it's not really doing anything. We're going to wait for a nice gold brown color to get there. I'm so bad, I want to say another 30 seconds since we checked. We check again. You can see it's starting to get darker. You also got to be careful because you don't want to move your grilled cheese too much and get the cheese on the pan. Now I'm going to check again. It's been about 15 seconds. You can see we're starting to get a nice caramelization right there. That's actually almost what I'm aiming for. That's perfect. So now I'm going to attempt to flip this. It's probably going to be really bad. Let's see how bad this is going to be. 1, 2, 3. See, that's what I was afraid of. You can see the bread shifted a little bit when I flipped it. And you see, this is what we're not supposed to do. I got cheese on there, which is going to be a pain in the butt to wash off. You can try to add it back, but it might be a little bit of a process. Top piece. Now, usually what I do, if I'm not holding a phone, trying to record this, I'll take my middle finger, put it right here on the bread. When I flip it on my opposite spatula hand, try to get it to stay. Now, the bottom side is going to cook faster. It's definitely going to cook a lot faster. That's almost done, actually. Now, this grilled cheese is really bad. I promise you, I'm a lot better at making grilled cheese, but it's kind of hard one-handed. Now, I think we might be ready to shift it back to the plate. I'm going to flip it over one more time, see what it's looking like. You see right there, right here, this is what we don't want. We want this bread to be covering that cheese. Make sure it's melted. Now, you guys can't smell because it's a video, but I can smell it because I'm right here in person with it. And it has a bit, the cheese right here, it's kind of giving off a bit of a burnt smell. It's not really that good. Now, shift it back over. If it gets any browner than that, I do not advise to eat it. But this was my quick how to make a grilled cheese video. Thank you. I'm going to be fat and enjoy my grilled cheese.